Hey, what's up everybody? So I want to go over with you a quick update to the action set Skin TM Pro. I'm calling it 1.1, and what I've done is I made it a little bit smarter. And the way I've done that is the core action still runs, but then it determines, okay, did the Adobe AI find a person, with the object selection function? Did it find a person, and did it find skin? And if it does, cool, continue on. And if it doesn't, then it'll try a different method using our chroma color range method. So what that means is you always run the first one, this orange one here, NBP Skin TM Pro 1.1. You always run that. You do not run the others. If you do, it'll be a catastrophic failure. Those are just there so the action knows what to call depending on what it figures out. And that's called a conditional action. I've done a video on those before. All it does, the upshot is it just makes it a little bit smarter for you. So you don't have to worry about it. So for example, if I run it, it's going to be seamless. You won't notice. Now, obviously the process of running Skin TM Pro is, it's lengthy. There's a lot of layers, as you can see. And right now, what I've done is I moved the skin tone selection function to the ending of the action, meaning that, okay, it's going to try to use Adobe's object selection function, which is pure AI. And if that doesn't work, then okay, it'll run the other one. All right. So that'll kind of give you some kind of a fallback in case it doesn't work. Because what happened was customers were noticing that when Adobe AI would fail and not find a person for whatever reason, then it would kick back, cannot make a selection, because obviously it couldn't. But that's just the AI failing. Now, I've had so much success with the subject selection on portraits that it didn't occur to me that maybe it would fail as frequently, apparently, as it has been. Now, look there. As you can see, obviously, there's a person in the shot, and there you go. The AI selection came in and selected the skin perfectly. If it didn't, it would have attempted, I don't want to say the old way, but just a different way that I've developed to try to find skin tone. It's not as good. It's not as accurate as Adobe's, but at least it's a fail-safe in case Adobe fails you. Now, both fail you, I don't know what to tell you. You're probably going to have to do a manual mask. Just keep hitting continue and then make a manual mask. But that should be in those weird outlier situations. This should solve the vast majority of situations where you're looking for the skin tone automatically. And here again, as a reminder, while I'm here, the end result is a layer stack. Okay. And there's videos that explain all of this, by the way, if you're new to this. So please watch those. The end result is a layer stack. The end result is a mask. You can do anything with that mask. You can redo it. You can add to it. You can, get rid of it. It's just a mask. So you have freedom, don't get me wrong, to adjust and adapt as you need to. I'm just trying to make sure that Skin TM Pro gives you the best possible result out of the gate. So I've updated it. I hope you watch this video to see how it works. If you get bored or, intrepid and want to try these two actions on their own, well, nothing's going to happen that's going to be interesting. It's just going to be a complete fail. But that's Skin TM Pro 1.1 small update. If you don't have it, like I said, or if this is the first time you're learning about it, please watch the videos on our YouTube about it, because you can see how it works. It's super, super powerful. And as of this video, of this update, which is mid-October 2025, I've also got another skin tool that I'm working on, kind of an update to an older set of actions that I had for skin texture management. And I've really adapted it and evolved it, and it's just a lot of work. So I'm hoping to release that hopefully before November, and we'll go from there. But anyway, Skin TM Pro 1.1 update. Customers of the action set should already have this sent to them. Everyone else, please check it out. I think you'll like it. Just made it a little bit smarter.